Good evening. My name is Murekezi Ismail, and I'm in Group 15. And our task is network slicing in 5G. So what we found, we saw that network slicing is the way one physical network can be splitted into several virtual network, where each network can work independently. So we saw different aspects. The first one is a virtualization. Actually, for the case of virtualization is the way the network or the multiple network can be isolated. So in this case of the slicing, we saw that different network can work independently but with the same parent. So we saw the second aspect, which is customization. For this customization, we saw that those slices, each one can have a basic task. We saw there is a level of service, or you can call it the types of the slice. The first one is enhanced mobile broadband. This is for the high data speed applications. And we saw the second one is a ultra reliable low latency communication. This is for the application which it's a real-time application actually. You can see like application which can be used by the doctors while he's making the surgery, remote surgery. And there is a third one which is a massive machine type. This is reserved for the IoT devices that need to connect different devices which require low power. And third aspect is isolation. As I've been talking about, those different network, they are isolated. If there is any issue within one virtual network, it can't affect another one. So I think we can continue with efficient. For the efficient, it's optimize resources, and it helps us to use a low power storage and so on, so we can continue with the benefit of the network slicing with Redemptor.
Thank you. Thank you. My name is Wise Redempta and I'm also the member of Group 15. Our project is about the network slicing in 5G. The, as we know that the 5G is the next generation of mobile networks. And it's all about the high speed and all that things. I'm sorry, it's a network issue. Let me proceed with the benefits of the network slicing. I'm going to talk about the like three benefits of network slicing. The first one is flexible, second is scalability, and the third one is security. So for flexibility, uh, network dynamically available resources for different applications, so each slice can be customized according to its specific needs. For example, for IoT devices, it requires a low data rate that can operate smoothly on one slice. The second point is scalability. Each slice can adjust its capacity based on demands, ensuring the efficient resources used even on the selling speeds. For example, in the virtual reality stream, it can increase the resource during the peak demand without effective other slices. So the third one is security, as my colleague talks about the the slice operate independently so that it's allowing the customer security based on the application's requirement. Example in the sensitive healthcare data. Thank you. Let me call upon Mr. Eric to continue the discussion of the network slicing.
Yeah, thank you, Demet. Now can you go ahead with project implementation? We have tried to write a code of simulating by using a NS3 simulator. After writing that code, we can learn the simulation. After learning the simulation, we can get this output. Wherever have these flows, which shows some of packet which is being transmitted and received as well. Maybe the demo can go ahead with the some of the flows have here.
Yeah, thank you. About this is the output that we have after learning our basic code. We have 10 follows. So in these 10 follows, it is divided into two parts. The first part is the from the first follow up to fourth. It shows the control traffic, and from fifth up to 10th, it shows the demonstrate data traffic. I'm going to talk about this first four follow. In these first four follows, we have source, of course, and destination, and we have packet. It transmits the six packet and receive six packet, and there is no packet lost four in these four follows. So as you can see in the first source, we have 14005 and we have port 2123, and destination is 13006 and port 2123. Those are the source and destination. In the second floor, you see source and destination, third floor and fourth floor. Actually, in this first four floor, it shows that we have six transmitted packet and six received packet, and there is no packet lost in this first four floor. Let me call upon Mr. Ismail to continue with the with the other floors from fifth up to 10th.
So actually for the flow fifth up to 10, it's about the data traffic. As you can see, it's the same like the first one, but the difference is the number of the packet which have been received and the one which have been transmitted, which is 180. Actually, this is the difference between them, so we can go next with a demonstration or in Netamin. I can call upon Enrique Nyokwizerwa to show us our program is working.
Okay, thank you, Ismail. Yes, after learning the simulation, also we have included the network animation to showcase the how the communication, how the nodes are communicating to each other as well. So let me show you. Yes, yes. Here it is like a network topology where you have nodes from 0 up to 9. You have this wherever you can see this network topology with nodes positioned at some coordinate from like a 0 0.0 or 70s and 0 and also 140 at 0. So this point represent the network component, and also the interconnecting the lines show the logical relationship between nodes. Like when you learn the simulation, you see, you will see the simulation wherever the nodes are communicating to each other uh, after slicing the network as well. And also you can make it faster by making like this. You will see that uh, it, it is being faster as well. They also, we have also what you can call statistics. Uh, Here you can see that as we have said, you have 10 flows from 0 up to 9, or wherever each node has its unique MAC address. And also we have also IP version 6, so you know that it has the high security for our sliced network as well. So I think we can go ahead with
Like
the
we can, I think we can conclude. It's a
yes,
conclusion. So for the conclusion, as we have been talking about, we see that this network slicing in 5G, it's important because like how we've been talking about the benefits like security in case there is a data breach in one network which can't affect another network is something which is really helpful in nowadays. So actually, it's one of the benefit also for the customization and how you can define network and maybe allocate one network to work on something which is about IoT, another one for real-time application like streaming, another or also another application that you may want to customize. Yeah. So actually, we can conclude our presentation here. Thanks.
yes, thank you.
Thank you.